Hi everyone, this is Ali here from eFlux. Companies today are under a huge dilemma. On one hand, they know they have to make these massive changes at a pace that they've never done before. On the other hand, situation is so uncertain and so unpredictable, they're just having a hard time prioritizing these changes. What new user experiences to come up with, what alternate channels to build, what new applications to build. I talk to so many IT directors, line of business directors, VPs and CIOs, and they are all in the same situation. They know those massive changes need to be made. They just don't know how to make them without taking huge financial risks. We have to break this dilemma. And the best way to go about this is the line of business directors, the business users, and the business analysts, they all have to gang up right now to find ways to experiment through these new channels and experiences and applications. And this is precisely why we built Swift, a low-code, no-code app automation platform that lets your JD Edwards business analysts build highly functional, highly user-friendly mobile and web applications that are automatically integrated to your JD Edwards. They can actually build them faster than they can write functional specs for them. What this allows you to do is roll out these enterprise-wide applications, enterprise-wide with all the built-in security in there, and see how they are doing. If there's a higher user adoption and the business outcomes are there, build upon them. If not, dispose the ones that don't and then rebuild the new ones really, really quickly. And that's what Swift is all about, to be able to build these lightning fast applications. We've already started rolling it out with JD Edwards customers, and the feedback we are getting is overwhelming. So feel free to reach out to schedule your demo. We're also having a webinar on October 21st. Feel free to sign up for that. And let's all gang up together to break through this dilemma and make these massive changes that need to be made today. Take good care. Bye-bye.